What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another quick video. Today, I want to go ahead and piggyback off of the video that I put out yesterday, which is all about the best watering schedule for your lawn. Now, keep in mind, we talked about everything from those of you guys who water your lawn manually to having an irrigation system, and in between all of that, those of you guys who are using the JTLK style irrigation system, that is the video for you. If you want to see it, I will leave it here in the eye in the top right corner, as well as linked in the description below. So one of the questions I get all the time is, Jake, I understand your watering schedule, I understand the watering process, but what type of sprinkler do you recommend for this job? Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right out the gate, one of my favorite companies to support for this is going to be Big Sprinkler, right? If you're somebody that's watering with hoses, spigots, timers, you name it, Big Sprinkler is crushing it in that category. The line that I particularly like for the fact that it is available to homeowners and is made specifically for homeowners, no matter how low or how high your water pressure is their heavy duty Sled base line. As a matter of fact, they advertise this line as a pro quality sprinkler in a residential setting. So it's made specifically for homeowners. And that's one of the things I really like about these sprinklers, again, is that they're pro quality and they're made for residential. And within this lineup, they have three different kinds of sprinklers you can get. They have an impact sprinkler, they have a rotor sprinkler, and they also have a wobbler sprinkler. All three are great for their own purposes. In my opinion, I like to use the impact and the rotor for regular watering, and for the most part, I like to use the wobbler for seedings. I think it's a really great sprinkler for gently covering a lot of area in very little amount of time. If you are doing a spring or summer seeding, it's a great way to ensure that you're getting down the sufficient amount of water, but without being too harsh, especially when your seed's in a very delicate state. Another thing I really like about these sprinklers that I think really sets them apart is the galvanized or the green powder coating that you get on the actual sleds themselves. I think that's a game changer because essentially what it does is it makes the sled of the actual sprinkler rust resistant, right? So if you left it outside over winter, maybe you leave it out in the rain for long periods of time, or just in general from watering, I can promise you from experience, these sprinklers are not going to rust. No harm or no foul there. For those of you guys who want to get your hands on these sprinklers, I will gladly leave 3 coupon codes in the description below that will give you a little incentive for purchasing. Now, real quick, I will say this, Big Sprinkler is not a sponsor of mine, albeit they are a partner of mine. They're somebody I really support, but not sponsored. Just again, one of those cool salt of the earth companies that I genuinely believe in because they make a high quality product that delivers 100%. All the information linked down in the description below for your pleasure. That's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you have any additional questions, leave those down below as well, and I will try to get back to those as soon as I can. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If I don't see you guys next time, your lawn is going to be dominated. Literally, it's going to be dominated. It's going to be double the darkness of yours. Double dark. See what I did there? Just a play on words. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.